Well, once again, we have another contestant for the District 306C2, and he is Lion Ismat Hamid, and we are very much privileged to have him in our show today. We welcome you for the show.
Hi, Sajid.
And thank you very much, Lion Ismat, for joining. And we would like to know about your early life, early childhood days, where did you study, and your family background.
Thank you very much, Sajid, for the opportunity. And Rajant, as is a normal service for me. I have prepared a video clip, but apart from this, it's a good campaign tool for me. Okay, my native place is Badul. I studied at Zaira College, Gampal, up to A-level. Right after the A-level, I joined at National Bank and served there for 9 years, where I found my inner thoughts were not satisfied, and I thought that was not the place for me to be there. Then I identify myself. What are the capabilities I have, and what are the things I can get from my own? Then I thought, from my childhood, I'm a good artist. Not good artist, artist.
Okay.
Not good Sajid. I have received a certificate from President Narasimha Premdas when I was schooling at the age of 11, 12. So at that time, a lot of people said that you select your career in this stream, you will achieve more. So that came to my mind. Then I started my own business, advertising and printing. So with that concept, I started in 2003, and now it's almost 17 years. Going to 17 years. We are celebrating, and that's my business career and my personal life. I am married with 5 kids.
Okay.
So at the age of 24, I married Sajid. Those are the person of my father was a principal, mother was a teacher. So they wanted 3 of us, that my elder sister and my younger brother. They wanted to give good education. Because of that, they selected Zaira. At the time, it was the best school in Sri Lanka, that one, apart from Colombo. I had the privilege to study with multi-ethnic society. So that only drive me to come to serve the community via Lionism.
Very
We
interesting.
serve.
Okay, interesting. And talking about how did you join Lionism?
Sajita, since I am involved in advertising and printing, very often I get materials for printing. So we serve and Lionism and all. So one of my friend was there, Nishant Pussegoda, and he said me, he younger to me, but he was in Lionism, and he wanted me to join there. And then Manjusri thought of it. They said, why don't you join Lionism? He was the manager of NDB, say parallel. So come and join. Then I went for orientation, and we started our own club as Club of Ruhr Capital in 2007, August 12th. And that was the first day of us. We started. And the same year, our pride, Lion Mahinda Amarasuriya, was the president for entire Lionism, international president. So we were very much privileged to be stepping into the Lionism while he was the president. And Sri Lanka was celebrating 50th year in Lionism. So remarkable. That drive. So I was wondering, when we joined, we were taught about Lionism. They said our PIP Mahendra Amarasuriya, out of 200, he was the leader for 210 countries. So we were admiring. How is it possible? Such a person from Sri Lanka, is it possible? And that was in my mind. So time to come, automatically, when we inspire somebody, we sometimes we may have a chance to associate with later. Uh, Later part we can sometimes meet that person and associate. So I met him. Now he knows me. I know him well because he's a legend in Sri Lanka, pride of Sri Lanka. So through that when I joined, I was given the post of bulletin editor. That was very related to my
Subject
of profession. So I did the magazine and bulletin. So that was the best bulletin at that time. Then
That was in 2008.
2007. Then 2009 also I was the bulletin editor. 2010 I became club secretary. So when I became the secretary, I would like to tell you, Sajita, once I completed my education, I was very much fond in computer because in 1988 we had a computer society in our college. So if I'm not mistaken, I was the vice president of the computer society. Then I thought it will be the future, and I learned then after leaving school, 6 months I learned computer, and while I was in school in that A level, while doing also I learned IDM computer, and ACS I have completed ACS, and BCS also 2 stages I have completed. So I said my teacher in 1992, I said my lecture, one day all the shops will be with computer, all the shops will be computerized. At that time I am very much proud to work as a programmer. So I selected JavaScript, Visual Basic, all the languages, and they were ridiculing me. How this ulu wahana තියෙන කඩවල වල දැන් කොහොමද කම්පියුටර් එන්නේ දැන්ට මේ ulu තියෙන්නේ no I said no what will come that's happened. Then that knowledge I used in my banking life. Then I said my superior, then we can program, because at those days we had ledger sheet related works, no computer. Small work was only done through computer. I said we can reduce the time, overtime and working in the late nights. We can reduce how? Documentation, security documentation. Now when a person comes to the bank, he has to fill the form, and the same form we fill in the typewriter. Then again we send to head office and get that, and again type it, and security documentation, same methods repeating. And now the system has changed. So I said in my bank, we can. So there, so can you do? Just get. What do you want? I said at the P4 computer. Computer that given to my brother. At the time I was in Velmadaba. Manager wrote to the head office and they got. Then I with Visual Basic I designed the program. Then head office invited me to come. My boss Jagat Vikramsinghe. So he wanted me to present. I presented. That was the scenario. Then all of a sudden I left bank. All of a sudden means within 1 week I left bank, because they said stay in the bank and do this program, develop and all, because reduce the time.
Yeah.
Total documentation, we know, mortgage bond. Okay, there are several documents. I am not aware now what is going on. Our total. So that is one of my achievement, if I am not mistaken. Likewise, I want to do something in my life.
You always wanted to do
Innovative things. I don't fear for doing challenges. When I was leaving bank, I had 2 kids at that time. So all my family said, man, you are doing bad things. Why you are coming out? How can you survive? So no, I can. I believe I can. So I think we have achieved, because my parents they were teachers and they were somewhat reluctant to come for the business sector. They also wanted me to be some
stable job.
Okay. Yeah, that now I don't want. Always I think I am different. I am different and I can do something different. I don't compare myself with anybody. That is the thing. So I am different. I come out and I took the challenge. To a certain extent, I managed to do my business in Uva province. If you Google, you can see my business, Brown Key Private Limited. So likewise, I want to do something in Linism also. Then I joined Linism as starter member of Lions Club of Uva Capital, as I said, then secretary. Then 2012, I became the president. 2013, also the president. I won several awards. And then I was invited to cabinet by our past district governor, multiple council chairperson, Lion Lasantha Perera. When I was the president, he invited me, and I could not attend to that because I want to do the presidency the following years also. And I said, Governor, I'll come another time. I have to build up my club. Inline club should be perfect. Then only we can move ahead. Then the following year, past district governor Harishchandra invited me as zone chairperson. I would like to say at that time, Media Badda, you may know about the disaster in Media Badda, around 280 families due to the earth slip. You might have seen before 7-8 years. So we wrote with I helped district governor to write to the international for grant. We have received around 2 million international grant emergency relief at that time for Media Badda alone. Then another occasion, real Pola. So I said, Governor, there's another situation. He said, always you are coming with such grants, always grants. So we wrote, I can remember, we wanted to send email to international where we had to take the paper excerpts. So I was invited, I was instructed by the district governor to take that day, night itself. So then I opened a library with the librarian and took all the paper photocopies and sent. So we were very much happy because we got the fund. That is around somewhere in 3 million, 2.1 million. That's a zone chairperson. Then the following year, I was offered the region chairperson. They also did Ramboda. That's I would say because some small achievements. I am very much happy. I always consider about small achievements. We ourselves have to satisfy ourselves. Such small things I achieved. Now Sachita invited. We were at that time somewhere far away. So it's a small achievement. Likewise, Ramboda, like Vikumpriya Virapadi, past district governor. With his help, I took the grant. And on that year also, I received the second runner-up in Linism. That's also a milestone in my life. Then following year, regional secretary. Region secretary, I was the best region secretary under the governorship of past district governor, Premasri also. So that was I enjoyed. Then I was promoted as deputy cabinet treasurer, and lot of titles were there under the governorship of Lion Asela Karunawardena. From that year onwards, I am engaging Linism district wise. After region chairperson, region secretary, when I became the cabinet treasurer, deputy cabinet treasurer, and under Lion Ramani Samaravikram, I worked. So I helped her, supported her. So when I supported her without any, I did not consider about myself. When they say work and collection and all, I did. Because that was, I was enjoying. Then following year, Nimal Ranawakar, I must thank him. He offered me the prestigious post in our district and all in line, because one governor, one cabinet secretary, one treasurer. So he offered me the cabinet secretary post. Then when I undertook the work, I was advised, it is very impossible. You can't do this task from out of Colombo. You have to be in Colombo. I said, no, I can. Then they asked how. The same year I have completed FDI graduation. So I have done trainers training program. Then they asked how. The trainer program, they asked, now you are becoming the cabinet secretary. How do you work? I said, I will delegate the task. One of the, apart from artistic career, I have the leadership to handle the people. So I delegated, and I involved, because under my supervision that happened. So I was the best cabinet officer on that year. I was along with our district governor, and he helped me a lot to learn. And I ran, I visited all the clubs. At the time 90 clubs were there, and I was building, I was able to build up the relationship with all the lions. So in Sajitha, there are at the moment 2,327 or 30 members. Out of that, I can name 2,000 members.
Sure. I don't see any other will do that. So it's a very great blessing to have such a caliber person. So please, then.
Yes. Then very recently we had our program campaign in Sabaragamuwa. So we met around 200. So 200 were there. 200 lions were there. I thought to mention few names around 70. So I thought these people will come. So I remember the name 200. So I had to spell out each and everybody's name. So 95% I have completed. So that also very, because always we would like to be with people. That is happiness what we are having. We can earn. We can earn and do lot of things. But we can't go to the minds of other people. When we earn, we are getting. But when we are doing Lionism, we are going. So going is very important to the hearts of other people. You know why? We are giving the positive vibes. Through that, I know we can get more work. These days you can see, on behalf of me, more than 60 volunteer lions are there. They are giving us support. Even I don't know some of them. They are in the social media and campaign. Or I would like to mention few names here. Lion Malawi and Nuwan, few names, and Lion Jivan, Lion Naji, Lion Mahanama, Lion Nilanga, Lion Sujiva, my club members. At the moment, Lion Shiraz, Lion Ishante. If I go on telling, I have to mention all the names. You must forgive me for not telling all the names.
Sure.
If not, I'll tell all the names.
Yes, because the program is very short. We definitely acknowledge all the people who are helping you out right now. And Lion Ismat, even during the pandemic, you came out with some innovation.
Yeah.
You introduced new things to the Lionism. Would you like to tell us something about
Yes, exactly. There's a good point, Sajitha, you mentioned me. When we experienced the pandemic, because we attended one last charter meeting in 2020, March 30. That was my charter. Nice Club of 4 capital. After that, there were no charters. And 19th, pandemic, Corona, visited Sri Lanka and dominating. So, district governor, Lion Binara Jayawardena, I stopped up to Lion Nimal Ranawaka. He offered me GMT, and I wanted to increase the membership. I introduced new thing in membership. Every month I publish which club, because we had 5+ program. So who were the people at the top and bottom? So I published. That was very successful. Then everything stopped. GMT, we conducted many orientation programs, because when we are doing orientation programs, we have to meet more new people. It's very interesting, because we want to go along with people. So I am very much fond of being with people. So we were enjoying, right? I was enjoying a lot. At the time, pandemic, visited Sri Lanka. District Governor Binara Jayawardena said, Ismat, we have to do something to keep the nice movement going smooth. Then I said, Governor, we'll do something. What we call online, Zoom was there from 2016 onward, but those days only it came out. Like, okay, we designed a program, but online quiz competition, because all the lions were at home. They were unable to go out the house, and they did not have facility to speak to others. And there's no, it suddenly happened to Sri Lanka, no? I think it was very
Yeah.
It has to inform us before coming. Okay. Then we designed the online quiz program. 10 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 5 o'clock. We had participants more than 300. 300, sometimes it may vary. So they answered. We calculated the minutes. So I worked, 10 o'clock to 9, 10 o'clock I had to work, because there are 4 threads, there are 4 WhatsApp groups. So we published the question, then they answered. It was very interesting, and we selected certain groups. I was the first group, first place goes to Lions Club of Batigo Centennial, second Lions Club of Nuvalia, third, to second I think I can remember. So we did in a good manner. Then district governor said, this is not enough. We have to do something else. Right, okay. We'll do online singer Hatriya, singing program, competition. There were 73 competitors. All had to record their songs in front of the camera, and they have to send us. And judge panel was comprised with Chandrasena Etiarachi, and Mr. Somasiri Madhagirra. This was coordinated by Lion Susanta Priyalal. Project chairman was Lion Vasanthi Vijay Singh and Lion Imal Vijay Singh. I was a co-project chairperson, and I did all the video editing. When they send the video, I edit and put their name and like the TV, the RuPaul, like that. I said I publish. I only publish by 7 o'clock, 7:30, 8 o'clock. Like that. You might have business.
Yes.
Yeah, the people were enjoying. Then that was a very successful program, and I must thank District Governor and Cabinet Secretary at that time, Dini Gunasekara, and all the team, for assisting me to do along with the project chairperson and Vasanthi. Successful. Then also District Governor said, not enough. This is not enough. What we can do? Okay, we have work. We have work, Governor. We'll do online motivational program. Governor said, we'll do that. Then I was searching. Who are the motivational trainers? Because when we attended the training program of Mr. Kumar Iddamadana, you have to pay big amount. Mr. Chandan Gunawardhan, big amount. Mr. Mohan Palyagun, big amount. So I thought we start from our Lions members. Then this governor said, okay, we start. That was that. Zoom, via Zoom, we connected entire our district, and we started Zoom motivational program. First program we conduct with one of my friend, Sampath Patavedi. So he was at the time New Zealand. From there he conducted. It was to a certain extent okay. Then second we conducted with Sathika Dimet. You may know him, Sathika Dimet. Sathika Silva was Dimet. Okay, then that was okay. Then our district governor said, you think somebody else from our line is. We invited PCC, Lion Lasanta Petra. He conducted about one topic, and every day we had 150, 100 members in our motivational program. So, who was the fourth person? Who? It's you. It's you.
Yeah.
You're the person.
I remember.
Remember. So I called Sajita. These things are going on. Can you do? Yes. I can do. I would like to get some few of that from you now.
Yeah, I experienced that. Personally, he invited me, and that was the time that during the pandemic I took that challenge to be a motivational speaker for that program. And
That's
it was a good opportunity for me also.
Exactly.
And
Then our members were very satisfied with your program, and like Lakshman Premasivi, after that, like Mohan Pallikul, and Chandana Gunawardhan, Mr. Chandana Gunawardhan, Mr. Kumar Iddamalana, and around 13 programs we conducted. After Sajitha, then Sajitha, we conducted in Tamil language also, Tamil medium, like Bharati Kennedy, like Jnana from Betty Close. So when we conducted the Tamil program, our year was over. So I wanted to continue. Unfortunately, I could not continue.
so having said that, Ismat, now you are contesting to be a
Yes.
district governor.
Yeah.
So what is your vision for the development of the district in the future?
Yes, first I must say, Sajida, now you may know there are 5-point program in international: hunger, vision, diabetics, childhood cancer, environment. You know, Sajida. First of all, I suggest international to add one more 6-point: COVID-19 or Corona. That's my suggestion, first suggestion. Because we are experiencing, we have to consider about that. Same as like Corona, there may be deaths in other categories of diabetic, cancer and all. But we are highly concerned about Corona. So international has to, so that is the present suggestion of mine. International, they have to consider COVID. What are the projects? What are the projects? Even you can see if FB, they have allocated COVID-19 for boosting and all. We if you put face mask, they don't allow us to boost. We have to pay for COVID-19 project. Likewise, we can suggest like international. They might have thought. Apart from that, we can suggest them to implement this. That's my future. And also, we are having number of thoughts and number of ideas related to this lines improvement, and we have MA funds. We can utilize that. We can utilize Mahendra Masuriya Foundation. 50,000 rupees loan we can grant. I have granted along with Lions Club of Velimada 100 loans last year to farmers, milk related farmers, so they are paying well. We can implement that. Why we are talking about farmers? Now fertilizers stop. So we have to concern how this country goes. So we have to move. Lionism was in that way. That's the reason why Lionism is surviving for 100 years. So we have to move. Fertilizers stop. So what we can do, Lionism? We can educate our members and society. So these are now each and every. You might also you also growing something in your home
Yes.
these days.
Yes.
So you are a cultivator. So it's applicable to you. Sajita, everyone is doing. So we can consider. I have plans for that also. Something is innovative. As I said, I left bank and started my own business. I have something different. That is also there. And online. Now we have done online quiz, online motivation program, everything. Online students are doing online. Laptop, all are provided. Everything is provided to students. We don't consider about teachers. We can do something from Lionism. We can ask the teachers to put the video, upload, and the facility is not given, and trainers not given. They are stranded at stagnant at one place. So we can do, that is education. First one is environment. And project-wise, we can do according to the country situation, several projects. Especially, since I am out of Colombo, I have identified several things to to be done throughout our district. All the assets, සියලුම සම්පත් කොළඹට වමත් සීමාද. How we can get that? How we can expect to district? I have a plan. How we are going to.
And having said that, Lion Ismath, definitely you may have a message to tell to the delegates. So what's the message that you want to inform the delegates?
Sajitha, since it is very current question, all the delegates first of all have to be familiar with the election body. Election body, familiar. These days training programs are going on. There was a training program there in region wise. So attend to the training programs and get acquainted with the software, because when we are having a knowledge only we can cast the votes. How I must say, I would like to say that because last year also been, since I am small programmer, software programmer, I would like to tell, you will get a SMS link to your phone and you have to click the SMS. Then it will automatically go to web, Google or somewhere. But your mobile should be a smartphone, and it will go to web, and it's web-based software. Buddy, then where you get all the candidates, 3 candidates and 2 preferential votes for first vice is governor and second vice is governor and second vice is first vice is governor. Cast and you verify and submit. So get these ideas from the IT team, and that's the thing what you have to do. On that day we can't learn because time is limited to 1 or 2 hours. So it is important these days we have to learn. You can select me. Since you have selected me, last year when I contested, I got 102 votes. And only few votes left to be the winner. I hope to serve this district. We can uplift the district with innovative ideas, with the culture of Lionism. So, what I am telling is, with your support, we can come to the leadership, and we have to implement so many things in Sri Lanka. We can impact the lives of general public also. That is very important. We serve. Our theme is we serve. We have to get together to do we serve. That is the message, Sajitha.
Thank you very much, Lion Ismath, and we wish you all the best for the future endeavors, and thank you very much for joining the program despite the busy schedule. We wish you all the very best. Thank you for joining.
Thank you, Sajitha and Rajantha, for inviting me for this program. It was wonderful, innovative idea. This was something special to Lionism. So far, we have not experienced this. We have to thank the president of Lions Club of Nugegoda, Lion Sajitha, and treasurer, Lion Rajantha, secretary Lion Indramani, and this institution for this innovative idea and educating us and upgrading us. Once again, I must thank. We will do more like this in future with Sajitha, Rajantha and all. Thank you very much.
Thank you once again. All the best to you.
Thank you, Sajitha.